In this video, I'm going to be going over some remote work from home job positions that can pay you upwards of $100,000 per year. Actually, these job positions are all paying over six figures or right around six figures at the minimum. The lowest one here, or the lowest range, starts out at around $86,000 per year. So if you are looking for a remote work from home job within the US, be sure to stick around as I'm going to be covering two new positions. And also want to remind you guys of some other positions that I covered before, which are still open, still available. You guys can still apply. So one is going to be a data analyst position here. This is a remote hybrid position in Seattle or Atlanta. And this job starts out at around $88,000 or $80,000 per year. Or actually, this position is paying around $73,000 to $110,000 per year. And then this other position here at the Home Depot, this one starts out at around $80,000 per year. This job also doesn't require you to have a college degree, and this may be something a bit easier to apply to, but it's a fully remote position starting at $80,000 per year. They also give you some really good benefits working at the Home Depot. So these job listings are still up, they're still available, and you can still apply. So if you haven't already done so and you may be interested, go ahead and apply. I covered these about 2 or 3 days ago, and they're still available right now. Also, other job I covered previously just about a day ago was a account executive here at Instacart. This position is still up and available. You guys could still apply just in case you missed out on this one. Salary range here is just about six figures. Depending on your location, salary will vary a bit, but on the lower end, it's around $94,000 per year. And this is a remote work from home position at Instacart. Also, some other positions that I covered before would include customer support positions at Experian, paying upwards of $50,000 per year. And this one was in Texas, where it was hybrid remote, but they have this position listed in multiple cities and multiple states. And also they have international positions as well. So if you're outside the US or outside North America, you could find remote work from home jobs at Experian right now. So there are some other things to check out if you haven't already done so. Also want to quickly remind you guys to go ahead and subscribe to the Work From Home channel, this channel right here. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home job opportunities that I could find online. Again, really good high paying positions here. So here's that Home Depot position paying around $3,400 per week. You can still apply. Here was another position where you could become a garnishment specialist and garnish wages, paying around $3,800 per month. Optum was hiring, paying around $1,200 per week. There are also other jobs here like entry-level, beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs paying upwards of $20 per hour. Netflix was paying almost $4,000 a week. So again, some really good high-paying job positions here, worldwide jobs here as well. So if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe and be sure to tap the notification bell right here, turn on all notifications. That way YouTube will actually notify you in real time whenever I cover a new job lead, and that way you can be the first to apply before these job listings are pulled. So with that covered, let's dive into the job leads for today. So first job lead here is an account manager at Instacart, and this position is paying just about six figures. So lower end here in any other state apart from these that they have listed here. So depending on your location, that will determine the salary range. So lowest end here is around $86,000 to $95,000 per year. So still a really good high paying opportunity here. And this is a fully remote position. As for qualifications, they're looking for someone with an undergraduate college degree, 7 years of similar work experience, proven track record of building strong customer relationships, knowledge of paid search, display account management, ad serving, also ability to work independently, manage multiple priorities, succeeds in an external facing role, also high attention to detail and exceptional organizational skills. As for what you'll be doing in this job, collaborate with the sales team to build trusted CPG client and agency relationships, educate, engage, and encourage advertisers and agencies to activate e-commerce campaigns, serve as the main point of contact for all post-sale activities, provide weekly reports to CPG advertisers, builds persuasive narrative to influence advertisers to implement optimization, present compelling category and advertiser-specific business trends, develop a deep understanding of Instacart's evolving advertising products, and preferred qualifications would include a degree in business, advertising, commerce, digital marketing, or some other related field. Also comfortable using Salesforce and comfortable pulling data from Mode and Tableau. Also comfortable analyzing data with the ability to interpret and tell a story in a client-facing role. So if you do have the experience required here, there's another really good work from home opportunity that you guys can apply to. Also at Instacart, they have another position open right now, paying way over $100,000 per year. On the lower end here, it's $160,000. And this is for a people analytics lead. And in this position, you will develop and execute long-term roadmap for people analytics. You'll collaborate with HR business partners to prioritize analytics needs and foster culture of strategic data utilization. Also lead projects to answer key business questions. And for this job, they're looking for someone with 8+ years of experience in analytical roles, focusing on data-driven decision making. Also 5+ years of experience in people analytics or HR related functions. Experienced team manager, demonstrating strong leadership skills and empathy, strong capability to work collaboratively across various departments, proficient with data technologies, structures, and analytics platforms, demonstrated ability to handle sensitive data, exceptional presentation skills, and preferred qualifications would include experience in developing comprehensive reports, dashboards, and metrics that track and predict organizational outcomes, adaptability to change with a flexible and positive approach to shifting priorities, exceptional analytical and problem-solving skills with a proven ability to turn complex data into actionable insights. Again, this job is paying way over 6 figures, or in the low 6-figure range is what I should say, about 165 going up to around $200,000 per year depending on your location. So if you do have the required qualifications, be sure to go ahead and apply. I'm leaving all the links down below to these positions. And also, if you guys need help with your resume, be sure to check out this resource, the Pro Resume Templates right here. Professionally done resume templates optimized for the ATS system. This way your resume or your job application doesn't get discarded or filtered out by the ATS system. Now it actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review, which is what you want. So included here are 3 templates: matching cover letter templates, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. You can customize these on a MacBook or PC. And there is a screen recording included here showing you guys exactly how to edit these templates very quickly in just about 5 minutes. So if you do need this resource, link is down below. But with all that covered, these were the job leads for today. All the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.